Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. So, Spanish Town-based Dan and enforcer THICKMAN, aka One Daddy Badness, he was shot during a police chase operation at 6 miles overpass in San Andrew last night. And if you don't know who is THICKMAN, he is actually the stronghold for THICKMAN.
Yes, and kill one other man. Chase over yourself. Yeah, this I thing right now. Yeah, Washington Boulevard block off.
So based on what I was saying, it was a standoff, it was a tense shootout with the security forces yesterday. So you know Spanish Town tense right now. So my advice to anyone commuting through Spanish Town, brother, you better wanna leave this right now, right? Or take some alternative route because Spanish Town hot right now. Even the court store in Spanish Town has been set on fire because of the killing of them Dan Othniel THICKMAN Loban last night. So people, Spanish Town people, them head hot right now. So the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services, them call them the TODSS, is advising bus and taxi operators to avoid Spanish Town area as tensions escalate following the fatal shooting of Othniel Loban, also known as THICKMAN, the leader of the One Other gang. Reports indicated that several unmanned roadblocks have been set up in the Spanish Town Market District and THICKMAN and is currently under lockdown. Additionally, the JDF helicopter has been seen circling the area. To emphasize again on the whole situation, brother, Spanish Town had called them done drop out, whole heap of retaliation are going to take place. But you know, when it comes down to security forces and Badman is an ongoing thing, and I just know, look on Tivoli, you get me, I say, so you know, innocent people might end up lose them life in this. So me advise everybody if you just stay safe, you see it, if you can just evacuate the area, you know, go somewhere where you know you're safe. That would be good until the tension die down. That would be the best option. You see it, so people, Spanish Town hot, tensions growing, man want retaliation for them done. You see it, and the security forces, as you know, them must stand strong same way. I try to maintain law and order in the community. You see it, so as I say, as the news go along, we update you. So remember to like, share, and subscribe.